Hello everybody, I'm Vegan. I'm very happy to give you this presentation. It is about compound interest. So I will break my presentation into three parts. The first part I will go over some definitions, and the second part will go for some examples, and at last we'll go for some applications. Exciting, huh? Alright, there is the form definition of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest that accrues on the initial principal. What does that mean? Let's take a very brief example. Here we have a gentleman who has $100, and we also have a gorgeous lady who desperately wants that purse. And so she borrows the $100 from the man, and the man is willing to give her. Well, they agree that the woman wants to hold the money for 1 year at the interest rate of 10%. So, how much does the woman has to pay back the man at the end of the first year? It's of course $100 plus the interest, which is the $10. It is come from the 10%. So it is 110 in total. And we call the $100, which is the money that the borrower borrowed from the lender, is the principal, and the $10 is the interest. So the tricky part comes. What if the woman wants to hold the money for 2 years, just at the same interest rate, of course compound interest rate, at 10%? Is it exactly the 10%, $10 as the first year? No, definitely not. Here, as the definition says, the 10 of the interest, as the compound interest, goes into the principal in the second year. So, in the second year, the woman has to pay the interest of the $100, which is $10. And also, she has also to pay the interest of the $10, which is $1. And the woman has to pay $11 at the second year, just as interest. So, at total, the woman has to pay the man $121 back at the end of the second year. That is the compound interest. Okay, after that brief introduction, we'll go to some exciting applications. Well, at first I want to introduce you the 72 rule. It's a very exciting rule. If you just divide the 72 by the percentage that you agree on the compound interest, and you will get the years that the principal doubles. In the previous case, we have 10 here, and we get 7.2 here. What does it mean? It means if you lend $100 at 10% interest rate, compound interest rate, and after just the 7.2 years, you will get $200 back. Wow, exciting, huh? It is the magic of compound interest. Suppose you're not compound interest, just a simple interest. You get $10 every year, and if you want to get $20, if you want to get $200 back, you have to wait for 10 years. That's a lot. But with the compound interest, you just have to wait 7.2 years. That's much shorter, isn't it? And the thing is, in the world, everything is compound. For example, population. The couples have children, and the children will also add into the population, just like the interest will add into the principal as the compound interest. So, if you agree that, if we have 10 million people nowadays, and we grow at 1%. So, by the rules of 72, we get 72 divided by 1, which is 72 years. What does it mean? It means after 72 years, we will get 620 million people, which is a double. Imagine that. Now we're 20. And after 72 years, we're just 90. And when we are 90, the world is full of people, of course. Wow. So you can easily calculate it by the the 72 rules nearly everywhere, and that is the magic of compound interest. Okay, thank you. That's my presentation. Hope you like it.